In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TickTick Chrome extension. By the end, you'll have TickTick added to your browser and pinned, so it's always just a click away. TickTick is a simple task manager that helps you capture to-dos, set reminders, and keep your day organized without leaving your browser, and the extension makes adding tasks from any page fast and intuitive. We'll begin by heading to Google and searching for TickTick Chrome extension. This is the quickest way to land on the official listing. When the results appear, look for the Chrome Web Store entry titled TickTick, To Do, and Task List. It should clearly indicate that it's the browser extension, not the desktop app or a help article. As a quick tip, you can confirm you're in the right place by checking that the link goes to the Chrome Web Store and that the branding and logo look consistent with TickTick's official colors and icon. Next, click into the Chrome Web Store page for TickTick. On this page, you'll see the extension name, a brief description, screenshots, and reviews. It's worth scanning the overview to understand what permissions it needs and what features you'll get. Extensions often list a summary like saving content to your task list or reading the page you're on to capture details. That's normal for productivity tools, but it's always good practice to review. Now add it to your browser. On Chrome, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. If you're using another Chromium-based browser, like Microsoft Edge or Brave, you may see a slightly different button label such as Get or a similar prompt, but the action is the same. Click that button to start the add process. If the button is grayed out or unresponsive, make sure you're connected to the internet and that you're signed into the browser with an account that allows extensions. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to add the extension. This step is designed to help you double-check permissions before anything installs. Take a moment to read what the extension can do, then click Add Extension to confirm. Your browser will handle the download and installation automatically. You'll usually see a quick notification in the top right corner letting you know the extension has been added. If you don't see it immediately on your toolbar, that's expected. Most browsers tuck new extensions into the Extensions menu to keep your toolbar uncluttered. To access the extension, click the extensions icon in your browser's toolbar. It typically looks like a small puzzle piece. A list will drop down showing all the extensions you've installed. You should see TickTick in that list. If you don't notice it at first glance, scroll or use the search field within that menu if your browser provides one. For quick access moving forward, pin TickTick to your toolbar. In the Extensions menu, look for a small pin icon next to TickTick and click it. Once pinned, the TickTick icon will appear to the right of your address bar, making it easy to open from any tab. This small step saves time, especially if you like to capture tasks while browsing articles, emails, or research pages. If you decide later that you want a cleaner toolbar, you can unpin it from the same menu without removing the extension. That's it, you've downloaded the TickTick Chrome extension, confirmed the install, and pinned it for one-click access. From here, you're set up to start capturing tasks from your browser whenever inspiration strikes. If you ever want to check details or manage the extension, you can always return to the extension's icon to see its status, update settings, or review what it can access. And if you're using multiple devices, repeating these steps on each browser keeps your workflow consistent. Thanks for watching and enjoy the productivity boost with TickTick at your fingertips.